What is the equation in standard form of the line that passes through the point 6, -1, and is parallel to the line represented by 8x plus 3y is equal to 15? We need to pick up on a couple of key words in this problem. The first one is the word parallel. We should know that parallel means that the lines do not cross, but it also means that the lines have the same slope. Now, the problem with this particular question is that all of the equations are in standard form. So we can remember a little trick for standard form. Namely, that if the equations are in standard form and they are parallel, then the left-hand sides have to be the same. And so I see that the left-hand side of this given equation is 8x plus 3y. Since parallel means that they're the same, the equation that I'm looking for is going to have the same left-hand side. So I see that letter A has the same left-hand side, 8x plus 3y, and letter C also has the same left-hand side, 8x plus 3y. That means that letter B and letter D are not the correct answer. The last thing that we need in order to narrow it down between A and C is to remember that we have a point that this line should pass through. And so what we can do in order to determine the difference and which of these is the correct answer is we can notice that the right-hand sides are different. So what we will do is we will take 6 for x and -1 for y and substitute that into the left-hand side and figure out what the right-hand side should be. So what we have is we have 8x plus 3y, and we will substitute in 6 for x and -1 for y. Use your calculator or Desmos to calculate this. What you will get is positive 45. And so notice that positive 45 shows up in letter C. Therefore, letter C is the correct answer.